This video will demonstrate you how to launch a virtual machine on the VSC Tier-1 Cloud platform. We'll use the tool Terraform to deploy a Linux VM and a VM running Windows. To use Terraform, we need to provide it with access credentials to our cloud infrastructure. We can do that through the VSC Cloud dashboard by clicking on the Identity tab and clicking Application Credentials. In this page, click Create Application Credential. Fill in the name and an expiration date for better security. You can always create a new one after it expires. On the next screen, download the cloud.yaml. Now, I will show you how to use the credentials to create a virtual machine. First, we need to create our OpenStack config directory on our VSC login node. Now, we can create our clouds.yaml file and copy-paste the contents of the file we downloaded earlier. We should apply safe permissions to this file. With OpenStack set up, we can now download the template from GitHub and enter it. Now that we have the template, we need to copy the example to our main file and edit it. Here we can edit a lot of variables like the operating system, which we will do now. Once we're happy with our settings, we need to run Terraform init, just the first time. Then we can run Terraform apply, which will create our virtual machine. It can be a good idea to read through the proposed changes before typing yes. Terraform will provide us with the connection details for our virtual machine. With this command, we can connect to it. You might have to wait a few minutes before connecting. Of course, you might want to run Windows instead of Linux. This is also possible with the template. Because we are changing the OS, we need to first destroy the existing one. To switch to Windows, we need to edit the main Terraform file and set the image parameter to Windows 10 and set is_Windows to true. Now we run Terraform apply again. For Windows, this will take quite a while. And like before, we get the connection details for the Windows machine. You can use this information in any remote desktop client. It might take a while before the virtual machine is ready to connect.